Bitcoin hash rate hits all-time high. Are Bitcoin miners dumping to stay afloat? Bitcoin mining market. Bitcoin's hash rate has reached historic highs, but plunging miner revenues and rising difficulty are forcing many miners to sell off more BTC than ever to cover costs. Last updated, April 17, 2025. Journalist Hassan Shittu. Journalist Hassan Shittu. About author Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 17, 2025 at 17:05 GMT+3. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Following the last halving on April 5, Bitcoin's hash rate reached a historic milestone of 1 sextillion hashes per second, according to BitInfo charts. March 2025 saw a sharp 50% decline in miner revenue compared to March 2024, with total earnings falling to approximately $1.2 billion, according to data from NewHedge. The bulk of miners' income comes from two sources: block subsidies and transaction fees. With the recent halving, which has slashed the block reward to 3.125 BTC, miners are relying more heavily on transaction fees. But those fees remain low. Many blocks are still being mined with little to no transaction activity, leaving miners caught in a revenue crunch. Amid these economic pressures, the behavior of miners has undergone a dramatic shift. At the time of writing, the hash price stands at just $44.20 per petahash per second (ph/s), down more than 11% since March 5. With mining difficulty recently jumping 6.81% to an all-time high of 121.51 trillion, miners are now competing in an increasingly unforgiving environment. The halving squeeze: why miners are selling more BTC than ever. Bitcoin miners have historically adhered to a HODL strategy, relying on future price appreciation to enhance the value of their holdings. However, following the April halving, which reduced block rewards from 6.25 to 3.125 BTC, miners now find themselves in a financially tight situation. The MinerMag's latest report paints a sobering picture. In March alone, 15 public mining firms liquidated over 40% of their freshly minted Bitcoin. This is a significant reversal from the accumulation strategies seen in late 2024, when Bitcoin surged past $70,000 following the U.S. elections. Back then, companies like Riot, Hut 8, and Marathon Mara were aggressively buying Bitcoin. That rally, however, has since lost steam, with BTC retreating nearly 20% from its highs. Moreover, the report reveals that some companies are selling more than they produce. Hive, Bifarms, and Ionic Digital all exceeded 100% of their March production sales, effectively depleting parts of their existing reserves. The move resulted from the financial pressure miners face as they strive to cover operational expenses, repay loans, and invest in infrastructure upgrades. The meaning behind the hash rate boom and what comes next. Despite these financial headwinds, the Bitcoin network has never been more secure. On April 15, Bitcoin's hash rate briefly hit an all-time high of 883 EH/s, or 0.883 zettahash, just shy of the 1 ZH/s threshold that many analysts believe could be reached later this year. This record-setting performance coincides with a 6.81% rise in mining difficulty, further increasing the cost of participation. Despite that surge in hash rate, miners are racing to maximize rewards before the halving effects fully take effect, and many believe that Bitcoin's scarcity post-halving could fuel future price spikes. This bullish outlook is prompting firms to bring more hash power online despite the short-term pain. However, despite these difficulties, market sentiment reflects this split reality. Bitcoin briefly surged to $86,000 on April 15 before pulling back to the $84,000 range. Meanwhile, social media sentiment is turning bullish, with Sentiment reporting a sentiment score of 1.973, up from previous neutral levels. Analysts like Marcus Thielen of 10x Research, however, warned that Bitcoin could be entering a period of extended consolidation despite the enthusiasm. In the midst of this, prominent voices like Samson Moe and Titan of Crypto continue to call for higher highs. Moe's firm, January 3rd, believes that $500,000 BTC is not crazy in a world with ETFs, sovereign reserves, and macroeconomic tailwinds. However, for miners on the front lines, the current environment is one of survival where record-setting hash rates mask a deeper struggle for profitability following the halving. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Is Pepe about to explode 100%? Here's what the charts just revealed. Bitcoin drops to $83,000. China sells. Melia stacks 45 coins. Trump coin. Trump price analysis. 90% dip coming? Price analysis. XRP price size $2.20 breakout amid settlement buzz and whale activity. Is $27 next? For days ago. By Arslan Butt. Blockchain news. Mantra collapse sparks debate on trust in DeFi, says analyst. 2 days ago. By Tanzil Akhtar. Price analysis. What just happened to HBR? Hedera tanks 5.6%. Is a bigger crash coming? 3 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. April 7, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. 11 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Medkilikutty. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. For days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. For days ago. By NSS, Tavares. 13 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.